the shop. Today I'll be focusing on building a camera mount using an extra magnetic indicator holder that I have, and it'll be nice to have a roaming camera that I can set up. As the shop frame is built out of steel, ferromagnetic steel, having a magnet mount just makes sense. Anyway, let's get to it. Alright, nothing too fancy today. Gotta drill a hole, you know, maybe I want it center, maybe I just don't care. I'll just use one of the existing holes. And let me just let you hang out over there. A large hole. Hey, it is. What do you know? So, magnetic base, which is out of shot, so let's fix that. And put you on there. Actually, put you on this way. And a little thumb screw, which came with it. It's nothing I fabricated. And the little aluminum tab here was just left over for some project or another, and I needed a way to fasten the camera to something, so I figured this will work. Tighten you up. Probably would help. So anyway, further adventures in old janky cameras that do the trick, I suppose. But at least now I can mount it magnetically and take closer shots of stuff on the mill or the lathe next time I get around to using those. So that's what I end up with. And with a flip of this switch, it turns the magnet. And this is a cheap Chinese doohickey. And that pretty much sums up the entirety of this video. Well, I suppose I should probably watch out for that sarcasm in these videos. Anyway, let me find it, or get it loose. Can I have you now, please? There we go. So, this contraption is fabricobbled. It's one of my favorite terms, fabricobbled. And should work all right. I think I'm going to put it to a very brief test here. So let me switch cameras. Alright, I think it works pretty okay for what it is. Now it's just sitting up vertically and recording me. I keep glancing over to check the screen, make sure I'm in shot, I suppose. It'll be curious to see what the difference in audio quality is between the two cheap web cameras I have. Anyway, oh, I need a haircut too. Don't judge. Alright, switch it back to the in my face camera. Alright, that's the entirety of my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, like and subscribe. If you didn't, like and subscribe. Have a nice day.